Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by settling the physical platform and controls. First, pick a qubit modality and order materials: chips for superconducting or ion traps and lasers for ions. Next, integrate a cryostat or ultra-high vacuum system and verify cooling or pressure specs. Then wire and control electronics, arbitrary waveform generators, RF sources, FPGA, and low-noise amplifiers, so you can send fast pulses. Once these are in place, calibrate timing and clock references to ensure coherent control and synchronized readout. You now implement precise control and measurement. Program pulse sequences for single and 2-qubit gates and establish calibration routines like Rabi, Ramsey, and randomized benchmarking. Route microwave or laser lines with proper filtering, attenuation, and impedance matching so pulses arrive cleanly. Construct a readout chain, resonators or fluorescence optics, low-noise amplifiers, and high-speed ADCs. Then build signal processing on FPGA or CPU to extract qubit states. Once done, loop calibrations to reduce drift and measure gate fidelities until they meet target thresholds. You finish by tying hardware to control software and safety. Install a compiler and pulse scheduler that maps algorithms to your native gate set and add error mitigation and calibration automation. Perform full system checks, state tomography, randomized benchmarking, and thermal stability tests to confirm performance. Make sure to log configuration and enable remote monitoring and automated resets so experiments can run unattended. If gates underperform, rerun calibrations, check signal integrity and cooling connections, and verify there is no stray magnetic or light leakage.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.